Dear friends, this video is for affiliate marketers and digital marketers. The affiliate marketers who want to make money by selling my courses, and the digital marketers who are getting inquiries that somebody is asking from where I can learn digital marketing, from where I can get fast track digital marketing course, from where I can get the direct implementation support and all these things. So you can refer to me and I will be very thankful to you. And also you are getting 50% commission on most of the courses, and only on one course, SG Platinum, you are getting 25%. So how to become my partner and how to become my affiliate? That is very simple. You have to type this URL learn.suniltams.com and it will be opening like this after signing up. So signing up is a very simple process. You can do that. After signing up, you have to click on my courses. After clicking on this section, you will get this option at the left bottom here, become a partner. Become a partner. So here you can click become a partner. You have to accept. Right now terms and conditions are empty. Accept. Okay. After accepting this, you will have a new option here, affiliate. First option, affiliate links, is very important. Other two options are not very important. Affiliate links. Click on affiliate links, and here you are getting affiliate links to all the courses. The courses you should recommend to your friends and to the people are Blog Mastery, Canva Mastery. Canva is a basic course. I'm not a Canva professional, but yes, I have a Canva professional in my team. That is the reason this course is very powerful. Also, it has my experience. Digital marketing course with certificate, it is free, so do not promote it. Fast track digital marketing course is one of the best courses. Right now, the price is 2000, so you are getting 1000 as a commission. And in near future, I am going to increase the price. So 50% commission is always be there. Now, the next course you should be promoting is SG Digital Empire. So this is a complete digital marketing course. Right now it is costing 5000, but the price is going to increase at least 10 plus in near future. 50% commission here also. Then you can also promote SG Digital Marketing Tools. It is like any other digital marketing tools from any other mentor, but here also you are getting 50% commission. And this is SG Platinum Club. This is a very premium course where I provide direct support. Here you are getting 25% commission because my efforts are very high here. And Digital Empire, Fast Track Digital Marketing course, you are getting 50% commission. SEO Mastery, you should promote because I am one of the best SEO experts in India. I don't think any other person can give better results than me in terms of SEO training. I provide practical training. I don't go with fancy things. If you are looking for practical SEO results, then join me. It's okay. SEO Mastery. And I think SEO Mastery, one course, and Blog Mastery, Canva Mastery, Fast Track Digital Marketing 4, SG Digital Empire 5, SG Digital Marketing Tool 6, and Platinum Club 7. So as of now, 7 courses are there that you should promote. Other courses, you just don't promote them. They are not very valuable, or you are not going to get commission. For example, English language efficiency. So I'm charging only a few bucks. For most of the times, it goes for free. So there is no logic in promoting this. So I use this as a lead magnet, and this one also I use as a lead magnet. So don't promote these courses. I have already mentioned which courses you should promote: Blog Mastery, Canva Mastery, Fast Track Digital Marketing course, SG Digital Empire, SG Digital Marketing Tools, SG Platinum Club, and SEO Mastery. And your links are here. So anybody who is impressed by your video, by your blog, and the person is buying this course, you are going to get your affiliate commission automatically into your bank account. No need to worry about anything. And if there is anything, please write an email to me, that is Guruji at Suniltams.com. Very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to share it with people and friends, because my courses are very powerful. I provide a very good support, and affiliate marketers are getting 50% commission on all the courses apart from SD Platinum. Thank you very much.